Good morning, good morning, good morning. Whee! It's another day, another dollar. It's Thursday. Thirsty Thursdays. Turbo Thirsty Thanky Thursdays. Thankful Thursdays. There we go. Thankful Thursdays. Thankful that Patrick Wieland's live on YouTube. Who would have thought that people would be thankful for my existence? But they are! Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Today, the NASDAQ, the QQQ right now, below the VWAP, below the 14 EMA right here on the 2-minute chart. We got that pivot point right there, 354.47. So VWAP right there, kind of putting in this higher low right here. We'll see if we sell down here at open. Yesterday had a big reversal end of day on the NASDAQ. Big reversal, like a 200-point bounce off of that 14,600 level, which is a key support here on the daily chart. So right now, we'll see what happens today. I mean, that was a pretty big reversal yesterday. Right now, we're sitting kind of down at the lows of that daily candle. The low overnight so far is 677. So are the bears, the bulls going to show up today? We'll find out here sooner than later. Right now, below this pivot point here on the NASDAQ, 714. 714 pivot point right there. We start selling through. They got that 670, the low from the overnight, 677. I think if we lose that 677, then we obviously start to dump down here. But right now, kind of holding up there at the 700s for now. That pivot point there at the 15s. So we'll see how she plays out at open here, boys and girls. It's time to make some money, honey. Make some money, honey. Honey, money. Money, honey. Don't hurt me. Come on. What is love? Right now, the NASDAQ down here to the 94s. You can see that big move. What was that? That was not, yes, that was overnight, or that was this morning, the big move there. 15-minute chart we go to. Normally I have this on the 15-minute chart. So right now, moving down here. Into open, we got that low 677. We take out that 677, we got a pivot point down there at the 610s here on the NASDAQ currently. So just sitting back here, being patient, waiting for the market to tell us which way it was to go. Which way? Little lisp right there. I don't know what that was. Which way? Which way? Which way is it gonna go, boys and girls? Which way? Which way? Pivot point 609 down there. So like always, patience, patience, patience. 15-minute chart right now. Not looking too hot. If we start to dump through that 90 level, I think we would test that 77 pretty quickly at open. And then through the 77s, I think it'll just waterfall to the downside there. So let's see how she plays. Sage is, he's not working today? What the fuck's going on over there? Guys, took a day off? I don't even know sometimes. I don't see his schedule, to be honest. Calling HR right now. HR, there are no days off at the market flow trader community. Come on, people. He's traveling. No traveling during the weekday. We only travel at night. Oh, he's out today and tomorrow. Oh, he's done. He's gone. Slacker. Hey, you gotta live sometimes, my friends. You gotta get out there and have some fun every once in a while. You can see right now we got stuck at that pivot point in 715s, and we got this low to take out down there. We take out this low at open, like I said. I think we could, you know, get some decent action down here. We had the GDP numbers come out this morning, a pop and then a drop. About 100-point drop there after GDP numbers. Why? I swear to God, like anytime that if I would have traded GDP, there's no way it would have just went from it just like perfectly went down. There's just no way it would have happened like that. Anytime that I'm trading, it's like the market fucking does crazy shit, wicks and goes crazy. It's like people will be like, oh, the market can't go fucking left. Oh, if I'm trading, the candlesticks are like like that. And then when I'm not trading, the market just goes whip right down. I swear to God. Seriously. Story of my life. Let's do the poll. Up or down at open? What y'all got? I am going to be trading. I got the 3-minute chart pulled up here again. Trying to see if I can just stay out of the chop a little bit better with the 3-minute chart. The 3-minute chart's kind of where I really focused in the beginning, and then I went to the 1-minute chart. And lately the Nasdaq's just been super whippy and just stupid moves. So gonna try to trade on the 3-minute chart today just to give myself a little bit more focus here. So if you're looking right now at the chart, this is the 3-minute chart we're looking at here on the Nasdaq. So all right, here we go. 50-50. Yes, the chat always never disappoints. 50-50. We're going up and down, baby. Oh, you gotta love it. That's funny. I mean, you gotta admit it's kind of funny. You asked 300 people which way the market's gonna go this morning, and that's the fucking result. 50-50. I think that's not a good sign. That's not a good sign. Oh man, you guys were funny. I like you guys. I like you guys. You're good people. Good people. Well, I guess it's a flip of a coin today, boys and girls. We might go up, we might go down. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, you know what to do. Oh man, it's gonna be a catastrophic down day. Market's gonna go to 0. Could you imagine? I haven't the last time we had the whole, when we were trading, I was trading like micros that day when the market got halted, when it was down like 7% in one day. But imagine trading like 5 full-size contracts on like a 500-point drop. Ooh, gets me excited just thinking about it. All right, so the poll is 51%, 49% right now. So circuit breaker up, if anything. I don't know. I don't know. What happens if you're still in a trade during a halt? Nothing happens. No orders are going through. You just sit there stuck. You can get screwed though when the market reopens and the price has moved higher. I don't know if it's the same for futures, but that's how it used to be for the small caps. The small caps, you would literally, like, let's say you bought a small cap stock at $3 and then it got halted. It could reopen. Like, it could literally go from like $3 and then reopen at $1. So like instantly you're just fucked. That was the good old days. That was the good old days. I don't know if you guys ever traded small caps, but back in the day, trading small caps every day, we used to use a scanner that would basically wait if anything got halted, and then you would trade whatever got halted. It was fucking, talk about the most degenerate type of trading you could possibly do. I would say trading the small caps with small floats was definitely the, doesn't Topstep auto liquidate during circuit breakers? I mean, they can't. Well, maybe because it's not real, but a real broker can't liquidate you during a circuit breaker because there's no way to sell or buy. So how could they liquidate you? Isn't Ross Cameron still trading it? He is. Ross Cameron never quit trading small caps. So gotta love him. He's true to the scam, baby. He never gave up. Never surrender. He watched that meme too many times. Never give up. Never surrender. I will trade this bullshit forever. I will trade the small caps forever. Oh, I gotta love him. I mean, Ross Cameron buys like 30,000 shares of $1 stock and then sells it for a 10-cent pop. And he's like, I did it, guys. We did it. I've seen him. I mean, it's wild. Gotta love the guy. He's one of the OGs. So I'm not hating on him, but it is what it is. I mean, it's the Cameron Warrior Trading fucking bullshit. He also got fined $3 million and he was right on YouTube the next day. Guys, if I ever get fined $3 million for false advertising, like I'm probably not going to be live the next day on YouTube. I might take a little break for like a few weeks or months or years or just never come back. But I guess that's part of the thing though, right? Like if he would have not kept doing what he was doing, then he would be kind of admitting that he was in the wrong. So maybe the best way to keep the scam alive is to not stop the scam. Tim Sykes, definitely Tim Sykes. Yeah, no, we gotta love Tim Sykes. He got fined because he was basically promoting the fact that his students were all profitable and like a majority of his students were not profitable. So if you ever look at these like guys who get in trouble, it's normally not because they're a scam. It's just normally because of false advertising. Like the whole My Forex Funds thing, the reason they got in trouble was because they promoted the fact that like if their customers made money, then they made money. But really, it was the exact opposite. Whenever the customers made money, they lost money. So that's, it's like if you're going to run a scam, you just can't lie about it. At least like me on YouTube, I'm like, hey guys, I make all my money from trading and I make all my money from YouTube, not from trading. See, it's all good. I'm good. I'm in the clear. Everybody knows I'm a terrible day trader. I just do this for fun on YouTube. See, and now I'm good. Now they can't find me. I've admitted it. Here we go. Market about to open 15 seconds. Pat, you're now watching the biggest scam on YouTube. Patrick Wieland, he's terrible at day trading. Stay tuned. Give you guys some reassurance there. Here we go. Like I said, watching to see if we sell through this low down there would be obviously very bearish. Take out that low there from the overnight. We bounced there twice. I'm just being patient right now. The poll was 50-50, so I can't really take a trade on a 50-50 idea here, people. I need more conviction, all right? You guys got to be more convicted to your play. All right, taking out that low right there. Looks like 50% of you were wrong. Now the question is, do we run this back up after taking out this low, or do we just waterfall to the downside here? Well, it looks like we're waterfalling to the downside right here. If we take out that 70 level strong, then this thing, you got that pivot point all the way down there at the 610s. Not sure it's going to get all the way down there, but she could. There's that sweep of the lows right now. What are they going to do? They're going to run this back up here. We got a lot of resistance up here. That pivot point 714. We got the VWAP all the way up there at the 727s. Pivot point 727 for that pivot point there. So just being patient. I want to see where this candle closes at here on the 15-minute chart. There's that sweep, and now the squeeze back up there. think if this thing gets back above 700, it'll want to take out this kind of high and then try to push back up here. So what do you guys think? It's got to get above that 700 level again here, but right now just kind of chopping those lows down there for now. 3-minute candle. Pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it. Got 30 seconds left here on this 3-minute candle. Let's see what happens here. I would say if this 3-minute candle closes very bullish, then this thing wants to rip back up here and take out some of this up in the 740s or so. If they can't get it down here. That's only, got about 15 seconds here. Let's see where this candle closes at. Not looking good for that close. Ugh. All right. There's a bunch of liquidity down there at the 55s now. 55 liquidity down there on the NASDAQ here. We're sweeping. We took out that 70. Beautiful move down through the 70s right there. Little push back up here again. The ES is still kind of holding on there right now. ES not making a new low, so be careful here. If this thing wants to rip it back up. Pretty convincing move back up here right now. If we can get this, I think above this 702, we'll try to take out some of this 730 to 740 level. The ES holding on right now. NASDAQ having trouble. The ES pushing up here. NASDAQ looks like she wants to squeeze up here through the 700s, so. And look at it go. She squeezed it through 700s. That next level to get through is going to be 720 and then try to push up there to the 40s. Would be your push all the way up there. Look at that reversal. Like I said, big old push through the 700s now. We take out that 720, try to go to the 40s there. Stuck there right below that pivot for now. Right now, stuck at the VWAP there on the QQQ. We get through here. We should try to push straight up again. Stuck there at the 700s. Both the ES and the NASDAQ stuck there for now, so. We take out that 60 low and try to move down there towards the 50s quickly here. The ES got denied up there. See if we take out this 66 low right there. See if we can get through there. Stop. Oh god, don't pop it back up there again. And chopped out, break even there. Beautiful. And squeeze it straight back up here. You gotta love it. Yeah, I gotta love it. Back up there to the 700s again. Does she run right through the 700s here? Look at that chop, baby. Chopping me chopperson here. I don't know if we break through this 700 level. Right now, just stuck there. Hooray! About a 40-point chop right now. Straight back up, straight back down. Down there to the 70s again. Body. Can we get a breakout here through the 60s? Got a lot of bouncy off that 60 level here so far. Got to get through the 60s and then move down there to the 50s. Buyer stepping in there once again at the 70s there. Will they break here? Things getting real tight. Get through this 70 level. And squeeze it back up there again to the 14 EMA 700s through that 700. Oh my god, look how tight this thing's getting. $700 on the Bookmap, bunch of liquidity sitting there. No break again. Wowzers. Got to get through 700s here. Or the 60s, 70s, basically it's in this chop right here. And straight back down once again. $700, the wall of China right now. Take out that 70s, move down there to the 50s. The ES right now trying to make a new low. Can it do it? No way. Back up once again off the 60s. Just need this 60 area to break. We break through the 60s, we're going to move down here. Through the 60s, trying to get through there. Wow. Just no follow through there. Welcome to Thursday, Chop Chop City here. No way. Back up here again. What a time to be alive. And back up once again. The Bulls just cannot, or the Bears just can't keep this thing down. Wow. This is impressive, actually. Very impressive right now. Buy at 60, sell at 700. Basically. and right back up there. The 15-minute candle just holding that 15-minute range right now and right back up. Just trying to will they take out the 700 here? What the fuck? All right, just trying to be patient here. Let something good happen, you know. Just as of right now, I'm just stuck in this insane range here at open. Can't really do much. Can't really do much when the market's just going absolutely nowhere as of right now. Looks like it wants to take out that low again on the ES. The ES 15-minute candle just got denied. Just absolutely stuck there. We're sticking below this VWAP and pivot point right now on the QQQ. If this thing starts to move, I think there's good upside potential, but got to be patient for that here right now, as this is obviously not moving. I just wait for that pivot point to get cleared out there and then look for a long to try to get that push back up above the GDP numbers. Starting to push up here. See if they want to get long over that pivot point up there. Let's see what happens here at this pivot point. We get through this pivot point here. I think there's good upside potential there. So got to get through it first. Unless we get stuck there one more time. which is looking stuck there. Can we get some conviction here? We got a minute left on this candle. Let's see if we can close above that pivot point there at 720 and then get a run here. Get a runner going. All right, let's see what happens here. We can get this push up. I've been looking for a push up the 40s there. Finally breaking out here for the first time in the morning. Stops right below that breakout candle there. Looking for 40s or higher here. Break through 35, I'll move my stop 35s next. Moving my stop right below the low of this candle. This is the 1 minute chart we're looking at right now. And then looking to move it to 35. Let's go 40s, baby. Let's go to the 40s, baby. Come on, break the 35s right here, right now. Almost. I want to get like right to the 40s before I move my stop up there, so it doesn't chop back down here. Sitting there 32s right now, trying to get this pushed up to the 40s here. Like I said, over the 20s, that break to the upside there to the 40s. We got to get through here. Don't want this thing to fucking come back down on us. Oh my baby Jesus. Just do it already. Just do it. Can we get one nice follow through move here ever in my life? Sometimes. Sometimes. Go, baby, go. Through the 40s. Let's do it right here, right now. We need to break over the high of this candle right here and then moving my stop to 35. All right, I'm moving at 35. I might get stopped out there, but I'm gonna guarantee I lock in. I locked it in from the 15s there. Nice little 20 points. It's either gonna explode through there or not. So that was our target though, that 40 level. So I can't complain. We're happy. I still think there's gonna be some more through 40s up there next. What do you guys think? Push up there to that high up the 74s would be doable here. Need to take out 40s. The air strong. You're still long here. That push is coming. Let's see. They're clearing out liquidity at the 40s, trying to take out that 40 level there. 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40s. There he goes through the 40s. 42 tapping quickly there. See if we can get through the 42s there on that next push. Bull flag here right now. Trying to form up here. Got liquidity has stepped in there pretty heavy at the 30s now, so on the book map there. Buyers keep stepping in there. Will they get this squeeze all the way through the 40s next? What's it gonna do? The buyers are stepping in. There's that push up there to the 40s now. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, people. Just beautiful. There she goes through the 40s. There's the bull flag, the breakout we were looking for. You can see a little bit better on the 1 minute chart, but nice little move up there through the 40s now. You got this 45s and 54s to get through next. I think 54s. This thing looks like once 54 is easy right here. Go right to the 54s. Let's see. Maybe 6, yeah, right there through there. Up there to 49 now. There you go to the 54s. Beautiful. All right, it's a ripper. Like we said earlier, through this pivot point, there's the rip. Nice little breakout, the 3 minute chart there this morning. Getting the, I think this candle right here was very convincing to get that breakout, little hammer candle, even though it turned red. But there's that push up there, 55 now, 54, 56, 60. She's still trying to push. Look at it, up there to the 60s now. Ding, 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Dollar pulling back here. The Nasdaq up there through the 60s, just like we just talked about it. Not gonna say I told you so, but I mean, seems to be pretty solid. All the way up there to the 65s now. Look at it go. 65, 62. Oh, she wants it higher. She wants to go higher. We're going to take out this high. Watch it. 77's push up there next. Go ahead and put it on your calendar. Put on your calendar for 10:03, about to break through the high of this GDP number. Go ahead and put it on your calendar. Call your mom, call your grandma, your brother, your sister, your aunt. Tell them we're going through the 77s here. Obviously not financial advice, but you know, put it on the calendar. Put it on your day planner. It's happening. Get ready for it. To a high so far of 70s. On another love. We break this 70 level strong here. We're going to go right up there towards the 80s next. Obviously, 70, 80, you know, you got to break 70, go to 80, but it's happening here. So I don't see how they don't run that GDP number high. Still see how they don't do it. My tears will bring me home on another life. Another life. Another life. Up there into the 70s here. Let's go 75 to break. Need that 75 break. Patrick needs it. I need it, people. I need it. I need it. He needs it. He needs it. He needs it. Oh, God. 72s, 75s, 72, 75s. On another life. I like to sing when I'm making money. It just makes me happy. Money, 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 money. Happy, happy, happy. Happy, happy, happy. Money, money, money. Get through that 75s here. And then right through the 80s. Da 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 da. I'm gonna pull it back down here for a second. We've tested this 50 level, make a little more bigger bull flag here, maybe. Got to a high of 73 there. Oh, lonely. All right, see if we get this bounce off this fair value gap there on the 3-minute chart, this 50 level, or maybe we pull down here to the 40s, but I just don't see how we don't go through the 75s here. There's that bounce off the 53s now. One more push. Need some rocket fuel. I got to fuel up the ship one more time to get through that level up there. One more rocket push. Oh. Woo. Pulling it back down here. Running them stops, baby. Is it always 45 degrees? I wouldn't really say it's a 40. It doesn't really matter about the degrees, but you really just want like multiple candles consolidating before breaking through that yellow line there. The more candles that kind of consolidate and get tighter and tighter, the better. I mean, obviously that breakout earlier was just fucking insane consolidation there from about, what, over 15 minutes of just basically tapping that trend line and then getting that big squeeze up. Right down there to the 41s on that low there. Watching to see if we break through 70 here. I know that dip buy off the 40s would have been nice. You and I. So the idea here is we take out this high from earlier when the GDP numbers came out there, and then we try to get up into this like 80, 90 level next. So dollar selling off right now. Jumping in long right here. That last candle closing there. Let's see if we can get up above this level. Stop at 55 now. I want to take out that 75 quickly here. Got to go. Oh, God, he got denied right there. 70s again. There's a bunch of liquidity sitting there. We get through that liquidity there at 60, 75. We're going up there into the 90s. So I think overall risk reward is there. We just need to get that little push. One more push. One more push through the 75s there. There's 110 contracts sitting there at the 75s. And then we go, go, go. Go, 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 baby. Go, 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 go. I've only got 5 contracts, and so I'm going to move my stop down a little bit just so we don't get stopped out here for nothing. And then maybe add into that break over 75. We're trading the NASDAQ. Open the dark. Come on, baby. Let's rock and roll this fucking fucker. Let's rock and roll this motherfucker. Need to do it. Come on, we gotta do something. Go, go, go. Oh, God. Just chopping with this trend line right here below the 70s for now. We get through the 70s. It's happening. It's happening. Deacon, I'm fading you. Cool story, bro. Fade me, bro. Fucking fade me, bro. Fucking fade me. You're a genius. Cool. Gotta love YouTube. I mean, I'm not worried about it either way. So you can fade me all you want. Go for it. See how that works out in the long run. Fade me, bro. Fade me. Why didn't you fade the breakout earlier? Huh? Why didn't you fade me then? When the market went up fucking 60 points. Pulling back here into the 14 EMA right now. Dollar's holding on there. See if we can bounce here off the 14 EMA. Nice little bounce right there. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, fuck me. I love trading so much. It's so much fun. Trying to get through this 62, 63 level here on the 3-minute chart. We get through there. We're trying to go up there towards the 80s next. So we got people in the chat fading me. I got to prove them wrong. Oh, no. Oh, God. Need to hold up here at the 50s for now. Just can't get going. Hey, that's the best part about trading, guys. You know, hey, you got to put your bet on. You got to place your trade, and that's all you get. That's it. You know, if it doesn't work out, it don't work out. It is what it is. So at least I put my real name and my real face on YouTube, and I show you guys. I make the bets. You know, I place the bets. Fake names in the YouTube chat. I mean, what the fuck are they doing? Who the fuck cares? That's trading. If trading was that fucking easy, we'd all be rich and nobody be watching me on YouTube. We'd all be on fucking yachts we'd all be getting fed grapes from 12-foot tall Russian models. Back down there to the 40s. It is what it is. Stopped out. It is what it is. Hey. 12-foot tall. We're getting 12 foot. We said 6-foot tall Russian models. Now we're going over 12-foot tall. That's the same idea of us all getting rich trading. Well, got the VWAP down there at the 22s pulling back into right now. I don't know. What the fuck? And straight back down there. Everybody, hey, did you tell me? Everyone that told me, tell me again so I can ban you from the chat. Like, I love trading. You know, the best part about trading on YouTube is that not only would you get to be wrong about a trade, you get to hear about it from every fucking genius in the chat. I told you. Told you. The fuck? I mean, it's... What do you want from me? It is what it is. I'm 6'1", baby. 6'1". Fucking pure, rock solid fucking muscle. Everyone's a fucking genius in my chat for some reason. It's so weird. We only got 463 likes in the stream. If we don't get 800 likes in the next 2 minutes, I'm turning this bitch off because it's just not even worth it. I'm gonna go do something else. Got 2,000 people watching. We got 400 likes. The joke. Bouncing off that pivot point there at the 16s. Ooh. Come on, I need 30 more likes. 30 more. 30 more. Now it's gonna rip. Now it's gonna go to the fucking moon. Oh God. Oh God, now it's going up. It's going up. I'm up $5,000. Oh my God, what am I gonna do? Oh my God, what am I gonna do? It's going up. Oh my God. Oh, now it's gonna come back. Fuck. I'm going over $10,000 on this trade. I don't care. $10,000. I don't care. We're all in 15 fucking contracts, assholes. Oh God. You. Fuck. We got 799 likes. I'm turning it off. Oh, we got stuck there at the 60s again. Come on. Come on. Oh, you motherfuckers. Wow. Why? Why? Why do you do this to me every fucking time? Fucking NASDAQ. I hate this shit. I fucking hate this shit. I swear to God. Stopped out, break even. Oh, I hate this shit. I hate it. I hate you. Fuck. Good thing I make all my money from YouTube, because if I was only living off of fucking day trading, I would not be able to afford the gas in my boat. That's for sure. Good thing. Good thing. The best part is, even on a red day, I'm still making more money than people watching the live stream. Oh, God. Don't hate the player, hate the game, people. Hate the game, not the player. Captain Price, there's a 99% chance of a stop pick down to the VWAP. 1% chance that we bounce at 30. 99% we go to the 700s. All right, I'm all in, Captain Price. Let's see if the chat wins. We're going in. I'm short. 1% chance, he said. He said 1% chance. That we don't, that we, oh my God, I'm stopped out. Fuck. Oh, it didn't work. If this bounces off the 1% chance here, I'm gonna die. Trash trader gamble. It was a joke. It was a joke trade. Relax, buddy. There is a 1% chance that we bounce off 30. That's 1%. Not 10%, not 100%, a 1% chance. If this bounces off 30, it's fucking defying statistics. According to the chat. %. You know how much 1% is? It's 1% chance. Ah, la, 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 la. How do you come up with a 99 point versus 1%? How does that work? Where are you getting the percentages from? What program do you use? What program are you using to get these percentages? I want the same program. Sir, I want the indicator that tells me the 1% chance that it does not go up. That's what I want. Want to buy percent chance. If I ask the chat right now with the poll, do we go up or down? It would be 50% chance. Let's see. Up or down? Let's see what the chat says. If we get 1,000 likes here on the stream, we'll do a giveaway. Can we get 1,000 likes here? We got 830. The chat, 60%, 53%, 47%. Why is chop not a choice? There is only one way to go, up or down. We don't acknowledge the chop. Look at that. I told you, 50-50. It's a 50-50 chance, according to chat. Oh, man. Love with you. I'm highly feel. Getting real tight here at that pivot point. 50%. Nice. I knew it. I knew the chat would be 50%. I fucking knew it. That's funny. Y'all are funny. Legitimately 50% on the chat. How? So wait, is Captain Price, did we hit the 1% chance or this is the 99% chance? What's the, I'm confused which percentage we're at right now. I'm confused. Which one is it? Are we going up or are we going down? Too many percentages around here. Sal's perspective, we'll take out the high 1000%. I like it. Wednesday's high. We're taking out Wednesday's high. What was Wednesday's high? 820. It's pretty good. That's a pretty good. I'm all in call options. Just bought $1 million worth of call options. And looks like we're gonna just chop around here some more. And now back down there. Captain Price with the 99% call on the dot. 99. Now what happens? Tell us what the next percentage is. I'm a daddy. Dollar looking like it wants to break out here. Dollar trying to break out there. The NASDAQ down there to the 700s. Now it's going straight down. Wow. 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 Wowzers. Through the VWAP. Gonna test these lows down here at the 60s maybe. Dollar popping up there. I love the people in the chat that it's like they come back like 20 minutes later and like, I told you so. You guys are the best. You guys are the real MVPs. I'm just here having fun, but you guys are the real MVPs. Like, it's just funny. I like it. I like it. I like the commitment, you know, just like they're sitting at home right now. They're sitting in their little fucking whitey tidies, fucking eating some fucking nachos or something, just sitting there typing. Like, they wrote in the chat earlier that we were gonna go down. They come back 20 minutes later, and then they comment again. I told you so. Just sit back. Yeah, baby. I don't know if you guys, did you guys see earlier I was like 20 minutes, about 30 minutes ago. I could literally make $1 million trading live, but be wrong about one trade, and everyone would be like, Patrick, I told you so. I told you that it wasn't. You're stupid. I told you so, Patrick. Mr. Freeze likes my hair. Thank you. Finally, someone likes my hair. After all this time. You guys gotta help me boost my ego. Come on. I'm fragile. What if I just go out and just fucking and never come back? Let's go become a homeless person. Fuck. The fall of Patrick Wieland. Just go live in the woods. Everyone would be like, what happened to Patrick Wieland? I'm like, I don't know, man. That guy had a fucking meltdown. Moved into the woods. He lives like Bigfoot now. Never came back. Never seen again. I always say I'm gonna make like a video. I'm gonna schedule a video like 5 years into the future on YouTube, you know, like a little living will, so you guys can watch it. If I ever disappear, you can watch the video and be like, damn, that's what happened to that guy 5 years later. All right, all right. Got the VWAP all the way up there to the 722s. You got that pivot point right there at the 715s. See if we like a little bit of pushback up. Dollar once again stuck there. Push back up to that pivot point for now. Will they get it back below 700 here? Seller is just kind of dumping some right there at 700 on the Bookmap right now. The ES and NASDAQ both pushing back up here on the 15-minute chart. The ES straight back up after that dump down to the pivot at the 10s. So NASDAQ staying alive here for now. Bouncing off the 700s. Got to lose that 700 support or this thing's going to try to rip you back up. Never know. Pack up your shit and go. There's that little pushback up there. Waiting to see what happens at this pivot point here. If we get stuck at this pivot, try to get this breakout through that low at the 60s. QQQ pushing back up to the VWAP there as well. Go. Look at ES just ripped back up there on the 15-minute chart. NASDAQ too. Look at that 15-minute candle here on the NASDAQ back up there above the 720s. So buyers stepping in there pretty convincingly. The dollar also pulling back here. So could be the dip. Dip. See where this 15-minute candle closes. We're back above the VWAP. Very convincing dip there. We got about 5 minutes left on that candle. And go. Want to see where this 15-minute candle closes at. We're back above the pivot point there and the VWAP on the QQQ right now on this 2-minute chart. What will happen next? What will happen next here? Chop. That's what's happening. Clearly. Clearly the chop is real. Clearly. Starting to trying to do something here. Trying to blast through that wick here on that last 3-minute candle right there. Pushing through the 40s right there. I don't know. She looking like she wants to go. We get through this. We got the high right there on that candle, 42s. So through the 42s, I think we might get our high of day run here. Get our high of day run here. Dollar trying to pull back here as well. So the dollar showing weakness there. You can see the dollar pulling back. If the dollar breaks through this level here, I think we get that move up. Look at the ES right now ripping. The NASDAQ ripping. Like I said, that 15-minute chart, pretty convincing. Look at this thing about to close back at the fucking highs right now. This 15-minute candle. Look at that wick on the bottom of that 15-minute candle. This thing gets through the 50, 60s. We go up here towards that 80 push, 90 push there. So she's going 60s up there next. After the 60s, there's so 65 and then 70s will be your targets there. Want the bulls to show strength and try to keep pushing through there, hold that kind of 50 level, and then try to get there towards the 70s quickly. Really don't want any weakness here. There's a big, look at that big old seller just popped up there. 132 contracts right at the 50 fucking 6s there. Big old seller sitting there, 56s right now. Look at that dark red line, the wall of China right there. They just pulled it. Somebody wanted to buy the dip right there is what that was. Try to push it down and then bought it up. You can see that volume right there. Big volume bar came in right there and bought with a market order. All right, can we get up there? Gotta get through the 60s there. Target that high up there, 72s. I want to see 70s taken out here quick. 65, 70s, just go, go, go. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Up there to the 75s, just like that. We love to see it. Love to see it here. Can we go a little bit more on it? From the 40s here, looking for this push through the 75s. Every time I show my chart, it's like a fucking market knows and it pulls back. I hate it. I don't even like talking about it. Like bad juju. Fucking superstition. Every time. I'm just like, I stop talking about it. I get greedy. I don't know what it is. I fucking every time. Patrick, you're an idiot. I should have just taken profit right there at the 75s, but whatever. Go through the 75s here, push up there towards the 80s. New superstition over here. No more talking about it. Just let it do its thing. Don't talk about the target, Patrick. Don't talk about anything. Just say, hey, oh, hey, oh. Fuck. I hate my life. Can't make this stuff up. My life is literally a Hollywood movie. I swear. It's a comedy, a tragic comedy. Patrick Wieland, tragic comedy. The shit that happens to me, I swear. And it can only happen to me. Only Patrick Wieland would this shit happen to. Only me. Are we gonna break 75 here or what? Fuck me. Oh, come on. Up there to the 76s. Do I just take profit here at 75? Fuck you. Fuck you. It wants it so bad. Up there towards the 80s. It wants it so bad. I'm over it. Fuck me. I'm fucking out. I'm out. I hate trading. I don't want to trade ever again. Hello? Hello? Hey. Oh, fuck me. Literally a spam call. Hello, this is Michelle. I'm calling about for the American Breast Cancer Association. I'm like, fuck. I'm live on YouTube right now. Are you insane? There we go. Up there to the 80s now. I did it for you guys. I took profit so that it would go to the 80s. You know, I do these things for you. People think that I don't do it for them, but I do it for you. You know? It's all for you guys. Everything I do is for you. For you. I do it for you guys. Oh, God. Where's the guy that faded me? Where's he at now? Where's he at now? Oh, God. Boniface. Market has delivered my target today. Anything else today? I'm not interested. Wow. I like it. That's some serious, like, that's a big ego right there. Your ego's so big that you're like, hey, the market has given me what I want. And now I'd want no more. The market has given me what I want. And now I shall walk away. On the day right now, 4,760. Fucking gave back profit, got up profit. It's just fucking blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Ugh, man. Can I remind you again of the symbol that you look at for seeing the dollar? Bro, this is what I want you to do. I want you to type that same exact question in Google and then see the answer that you get. But I'll do it for you. I'm feeling giving right now. DXY. DXY on TradingView. Hold me closer, tiny dancer. Ooh. If we get 1,000 likes here, we'll do the giveaway. But right now we got 918. What's going on here? You guys are killing me here. You're killing me. Killing me. Hold me closer, tiny dancer. I know that we should look at the Bookmap areas as that are heavy in volume as a magnet, but when do you look at it as resistance? I don't really, to be honest, I don't really look at it ever as resistance. I think when there's a massive order sitting at a level, there's a reason it's sitting there for a purpose. So I don't know. I just don't really try to like. The problem is, like, it's so easy for the market, for whoever's fucking around with, like, you know, those big orders. They put those big orders, like we saw that big order there earlier. Remember that big order, that big order that was sitting there. Where's it at? That really dark red one. Where did it go? I think it was right in here. There was that big red order sitting there. Where the fuck did it go? I guess it was this. It was this one. See where there was this order was sitting right there at the 56s, right? And it was just sitting there, and then it just disappeared. So I don't know. I tried not to like let big orders on the book scare me from thinking the market can go higher or go lower. So I more so think, like, if I see a big order, I'm thinking the market's, it's like it wants to go there. Like right now, we got a big order. We got, you know, liquidity at the 90s. They're kind of moving it around there. Like it's not really going, it's not sitting there. See how that 90 order is kind of bumping up and down? That's just algorithms. Like anytime you see these orders going up and down, that's literally just the market making like algorithms. That's all that is. Like they're not actually like committed to buying or selling. You can see how they're just basically trying to grab anything that's like out of the, you know, normal bid and offer. Like see those orders, how they're just popping up and down. Like those, that's just like the order book. There's an order right there that's holding. See, someone wants to buy. They got filled right there. See if this now pops up there. So look at that. That order got filled. We had volume come in there. And now let's see if we go to the 90s. And then after that, there's 800 up there. Tanja trades. You should let the chat trade for you one day. I'll let you trade for me, baby. Come to Florida. We'll go on the boat. We'll do some live trading. It'll be magical. Yeah. Oh, whoa. It's happening. ICT's greatest female student is coming to learn from Patrick Wieland. Oh no. Oh no. Oh God. Oh gosh. I love this. See, this is where we're having fun. It's great, you know? It's like now all the idiots are gone. The market's going up. We got it done. We got it done today, boys. A little bit of frustration. You know what? You know what really sucks? Like, I'll be honest with you guys. This move earlier when I moved my stop down like that, I just got baited. The chat baited me into that. You know that, right? Like the chat literally baited me. You had that one guy in the chat that's like, I'm gonna fade you, and at that point I'm just like, I go full fucking tilt mode, and I'm just like, well, I'm gonna win, and I end up getting stopped out. But luckily it was only 5 contracts. But like I said, you know, the thing is, the fucking chat. That's why honestly people are like, Patrick, why don't you show us the trades? Because I don't even want to, like, I just want to fucking, I don't even want it. I don't even want it. You know what I mean? I just don't even want it. It's just too much bullshit. I could literally put a trade on right here at 26s saying it's going to go higher, and everyone in the chat would be like, it's going to go down. And then guess what? Then I'm all like, oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, what do I do? And I know I'm not supposed to look at the chat, but it definitely fucking gets to you. I don't care. Like, the problem is, like, people always say, like, don't read the chat, don't do it, but like, I know it's there, right? Like, I'm live on YouTube. I've been doing this for over a year now. Like, if anyone knows, like, it's just like, I can't not look at it. Ivan, how much does it cost to go fishing with me? $3,000. Seriously. $3,000, go fishing for the day. That's all expenses paid. $3,000. We go out, we catch some big fish, baby. Seriously though, I'm gonna if anybody wants to come to Fort Lauderdale and go fishing, I'll take you fishing for $3,000. And we are not gonna catch fucking perch. On the boat? No, on a fucking canoe. Yeah, we're gonna go on the boat. We're gonna get mahi, wahoo, tuna, sailfish, big fish. We'll catch whatever you want, baby. We can also hire, you know, we can hire some girls to go on the boat for the day. It'll be a great time. The girls are extra though, sorry. They're not included in the $3,000 price. So the purchase is finalized and you're in possession of the boat. No, the contract signed. Money's being transferred. Documentation is being done. Hopefully next week it'll all be finalized. But it's pretty much like, it's like buying a house when you buy a $350,000 boat. You gotta, like, it's not as easy as going and buying like a, you know, Lamborghini or something. Like, you gotta, it's, you know, all the insurances, documentation, all the whole, it's a whole process. I'm paying $5,000 just for the fucking document fees. That's the best. You gotta pay, I gotta pay someone $5,000 just to even do the documentation. It's a 36-foot yellowfin. I'll show you guys the exact boat it is. Hold me down, you dirty dancer. I picked a name for it already, so it's gonna be registered as Topstep. It'll be the name of the boat in Pompano Beach. That'll be my calling when I go on the radio. This is Topstep, motor yacht Topstep coming through. Fishing vessel FV Topstep coming. I need the bridge raised. Raise the bridge. FV. All right, so here's the boat. As you can see, this is a 2017 yellowfin, $349,000. And yeah, that's the boat. 36 feet long. You got 300 horsepower Yamahas on the back. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh, buddy. And yeah, just straight up fishing boat, baby. It's got two spots to drive from, so you can drive up top to see the fish. But yeah, Daddy's got a new boat. Daddy's got a new boat. Got some speakers. It's definitely not, you know, it's not a fucking yacht. It's a fishing boat. People are like, does it have a bedroom on it? I'm like, no. We're going fishing, not fucking camping. Rubber boats are cheaper. Not as, wow, like, oh, you mean like a fucking rib? A pontoon boat? Those are not cup holders. Those are rod holders. It's already got a name. It's named, the boat name is Topstep. Topstep boat name. That's the name of the boat. Got to name a boat, and I thought Topstep sounds like a cool boat name. Topstep, #1 boat. We catch fish. It's also, you know, like when I go in fishing tournaments, that'll be the name of the boat in the fishing tournament. Why are those so expensive? I mean, that's a $600,000 boat, brand new. The motors alone, you got to think, the motors alone are $30,000 a pop. Brand new. So 3 motors times 30, you're looking at 100 grand just for the motors. There's no bedroom. It's a fishing boat. Is it big enough to take from Orlando to the Bahamas? Probably not from Orlando, but from Pompano Beach, where it's going to be kept at in my other house. It has a trailer as well. 3-axle trailer. The insurance is like 20 grand a year. And that's also a custom, that's a yellowfin. It's not like a run-of-the-mill, you know, like cheap. They don't like make a bunch of them. Those are not like mass produced. They're all like handmade. It's a big difference between running that boat and like something like a Cobia or some bullshit brand. If you're looking for the premium experience, go no further than a yellowfin. The weight's like 10,000 pounds. It's a 2017. I would never call it the Nutty Bar. Nope, that would be terrible. Better than a Cobalt? Are you kidding me? Yellowfin and Cobalt are not even in the same, like, that's like, that would be like comparing, I don't even know, like, and like, that's like, yeah, it would be like comparing like a Ferrari versus like a Kia. How did I earn this kind of money to waste $350,000? Well, I paid for a brand new truck, $100,000, and then I spent $40,000 on a lift kit, and then I bought another truck for $100,000, and then another truck for $80,000. So this year alone, I probably spent like $700,000 on trucks and boats, and I have another boat as well. I have 2 boats. Yeah. When you make $100,000 a month, whew, baby. 100,000. I'm making 100,000 a week. 100,000 a week, baby. One person for 3,000, or can you bring a friend? You can bring a friend, preferably 6 foot tall Russian. The Russians can come for free. 6 foot tall Russians are always allowed for free. I heard Tanja Trades is like 6'11", 6'7". How tall are you, Tanja? Is it Tanja? Tanja? Tanji. 5'9", Tanya. 5'9", Croatian. Free boat pass for Tanya. I think Tanja sounds better though. Do you really make 100,000 a month? No, I make 300,000 a month. Uh-oh, the chat is getting heated right now. Watch out, boys. Me and Tanya might need to just have a private live stream. The chat is getting heated. Woo! Turn the fans on. Yeah. I've made close to $2 million this year. And the market wants to go higher. Look at this bounce right now off of the 14 EMA. That's actually a pretty nice little bounce there on the 2-minute chart off the 14 EMA on the QQQ right now. We got that pivot point up there at 357. This thing's still trying to go through the 800s next. Takes out the 820s, I think. Hold me close, I'm tiny dancer. On the highway. Oh. Push up there to the 90s, pulling back here into the 80s. There's a bunch of liquidity on the Bookmap sitting up there right now. Bunch of liquidity up there at the 95s and then 800s next. So will we go all the way? It's Hold Me Closer, Tony Danza. Nah. Tiny Dancer. Tiny Dancers only. I make my own lyrics, by the way. Little pullback here. Can they run that high? Can they run the highs? Hold me closer, tiny dancer. See, it sounds way better. Tiny Dancer. Tony Dancer. Nah, Tiny Dancer. Much better. She's getting prepared for takeoff here, boys. Just keeps hitting that. 84, 85s, 84, 85s, 84, bop. Got that overnight high up there at the 93s. We hit a high so far of 91s. Kind of watching just to see if we get one more run here. Whew. Kind of a standstill right here. Standstill. Needs something to happen. Maybe a little trap to the downside to pop it back up here. Or they're just going to take it higher from here, but not really moving. Maybe they run it back down one more time. And then later on today, get through the 800s. Got yesterday's high up there, 821. So we're at a standstill. Hold me tight, no time to dance. Dollar finding some support here for now. So the dollar keeping the NASDAQ held down right now. Or if they'll pull this all the way back to the 40s. When am I going to call it a day? Well, it's only 11 o'clock. I got nothing else to do, really. I have no friends. I have no life. I just live stream every day, make money, go on my boat all alone. That's what my dating app says on Tinder. I just live stream all day. I have no friends. I just make money and I go on my boat all alone. And then I go to steak dinners. A lot of steak dinners. Lots of Wagyu steak dinners. Bunch of liquidity sitting up there at the 80s and then 800s from there. So, like I said, just really not doing much here yet. They're kind of just taking it sideways here. Nothing convincing happening yet. That could just be right before another squeeze up there through the highs. I just think they really want to take out that high up there from yesterday, or at least the overnight high. That would be a better trap, but they like to trap. Trap or die, trap or die. Trap or die. Trap or die. Up there to the 80s again here. Trap or die. It's like I would say it's a 50-50 chance. 50-50 chance. 50-50 chance. All right. All right. I think if we don't hold here, we hit the VWAP again. If we don't hold here, we hit the VWAP again. So this is the, I call this the, it goes this way, it goes this way, it goes this way, it goes this way, it goes this way pattern. What do you think? That looks pretty doable, actually. I mean, it still looks like it wants to go a little bit more, man. I don't know. I've been wrong once or twice a day, but once or twice, I don't know. You know, it's like it's right there. Michael, do I find it difficult to trade looking at different indicators on TradingView and then trade on a different platform? Not really. I mean, I know the price. I don't really, it's like I know where the price is. So if I press buy on Quant Tower or whatever, like it doesn't really, I don't feel like it really, you know, affects me. Thoughts on Boston Whaler? I mean, they're just kind of like whatever. So, just call me. Hello? It's the power company calling me. The power company they've called me like twice just to like do an automated voice call. Hello, we want to confirm that you want to set up power on this date. Like, yeah, I fucking confirm. Turn the power on, motherfuckers. I don't like the trade copier because what if I took a bad trade and now all my accounts took a hit? What if you took a good trade and only one of your accounts got the profit? I mean, it's a double-edged sword, doesn't it? You know? I think she wants to go. We're gonna run those highs. Gonna run the highs. We gotta run them highs. That overnight high. 94s. Oh God. The chop. The chop is real. Look at these candles. Look at the wicks of these candles. If I turn off the indicator for like, look at these wicks. Crazy looking. Like, how does that not go up? Let's be honest. This is a 3-minute candle, by the way. This is 10:48 right here until now. Like, look at those wicks. I mean, What does that tell you? I mean, I might be wrong, but I mean, what are those wicks? Let's all see how this doesn't go. It's got to go. That'd be one thing if it was a 1 minute chart, but this is a 3 minute chart. Gonna run that 94 at least from overnight. There you go. Runs the 94s. I mean, what I think is it fucking wants to run the highs. And guess what it's doing? It's running the highs. And then I think through 800, I don't see how this doesn't want to run yesterday's high. Dollar pulling back here. 820, yesterday's high. We're running highs. We're going to run the highs. Watch it. Quickly. Look how quick this thing's going to go. 820s. Just watch it. Watch it. Running highs. We're running highs, boys. Highs are running. We already went to a high of 12. Of 808. We're going 20s. We're going to run those highs. Gonna run highs, boys. It's gonna be a face ripper here through the 20s. Obviously not financial advice, but I mean, I think we're gonna run the highs. Look, if I just keep saying it's gonna run the highs, it's gonna run the 20 break. Gotta hit the highs. Where's the guy that said he's fading me? Where'd he go? Where's the fader at? Come back. Fade me now. Fade me now, motherfucker. Fade me now. We're taking out 20s here. There's no way we don't take out 20s right here. There's just no fucking way. There's no fucking way. No fucking way we don't do it. Right through the 20s. Watch it. Watch it happen. Live on YouTube. Patrick Wieland. We got to a high of 1875. Don't fail me now, NASDAQ. Just get through the 20s so I can fucking go. I can go to Chipotle. Not going to Chipotle, actually. I can't. I'm on a diet. Run the highs here so I can turn it off. Oh. Yeah, somebody said 100% short earlier. When I said 100%, it's going up. This is what happens when you fade me. When you fade the #1 day trader on YouTube. Sometimes you might win sometimes. Don't get me wrong. You might. But in general, you're going to lose in the long run. Oh God. 20 break, 20 break, 20 break, 20 break, 20 break, 20 break, 20 break. We're breaking 20s all day. Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Get the fuck out of here, everybody. Thank you. I'll be here all day. I'll be here all damn, well, not all damn day, but I'll be live on YouTube tomorrow morning for Fresh Cash Fridays. If you guys haven't, hit that like button, subscribe button. You know what to do. Choo! Can we get 30 more likes here on the stream? 30 more likes. Like I said, there's just no way that 3 minute chart. Look at those wicks, 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 wicks. I mean, come on. Come on. We held that 60 level. We're gonna fucking run those highs. Very simple idea here. Look at this thing. Just so you guys can understand why I'm thinking the way I'm thinking. Look at yesterday's high. That big old wick. That trap from the 820s. Well, guess what? They want to run that. And look what we're doing right now. Look at the candle right now where we're at compared to yesterday. We ran the overnight highs. There's no fucking way we're not going to run that high. You know what I mean? There's no fucking way. That reversal off the 680s this morning got back above the pivot point. We're running the highs right now. Doing it all live on YouTube. Let's go, baby. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. All right, all right. All right, so I'll be live tomorrow morning, Fresh Cash Friday. If you guys haven't hit the like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. I'm going to go to lunch. I'm going to go to lunch. So, I appreciate you guys. We had fun. The people that said they were going to fade me, well, I feel sorry for you. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Look at it, still going. 22s now. Congratulations. We saw it on the QQQ here as well. Remember we said we hold this level, we're going to push here. And look at that push. I mean, somebody said they drew a box on this, so they're waiting for a breakout. So I think whoever was waiting for that breakout there, congratulations. Nice little breakout there. Don't fade me, bro. Don't do it. Don't do it. All right. It's been fun. We'll be back tomorrow morning, Fresh Cash Fridays. I got to save my energy, man. I got to save up the energy. You know? I'm going to save it up. I'm going to save up my energy for tomorrow. Fresh Cash Friday. And, yeah. I look exhausted for some reason. You guys take it out of me. This live stream really fucking sucks it out of me. Just fucking takes all my energy. I need to go fucking re-energize somehow. So I'll see you guys later on. Well, tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Fresh Cash Friday. Big thanks for tuning in. Thanks for your support. People that do support, I thank you. The haters, well, I thank you as well because you're watching. And yeah, we're doing it. We're doing it. I'll see you guys later on.